Hey guys, welcome to this iOS 18 guide, and here I'll detail how to see all apps on iPhone iOS 18. So with the new iOS 18, there is a rearrangement on the application on your iPhone. So here basically I'm going to show you how you can see all the hidden apps in settings on your iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to see all apps on your iPhone iOS 18, just go to your iPhone settings. So literally when you're on the settings page, you just need to scroll down, and here you have access to all your applications. But on the iOS 18, you just need to scroll down the bottom, and then you have apps. Then once you see apps, go ahead and click on apps, and here you have access to all the application you have installed on your iPhone in alphabetical order. So instead of having the application on the settings page, the new iOS 18 now collapsed the application under apps, and that is why you have them here, and they are now arranged in alphabetical order. So that is how you can easily see or access all apps on iPhone iOS 18. So if you found this informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.